Hello crafters and welcome to the P2P Crafts Winter Online Craft Show, brought to you by the From Picture to Page and Beyond Papercraft shows. Now, I'm Michelle Brown, Creative Director at From Picture to Page, and I am so excited that you are here joining us today. Now, the P2P Winter Online Show has a fantastic lineup of demonstrations and chats with our favourite retailers. We're going to be covering scrapbooking, card making, mixed media, art journaling, off the page, everything you need to keep that inspiration alive. Now, for all the details, head over to our website from picturetopageandbeyond.com.au, where you can get a full list of all the sessions that are coming up over the next 2 days. And of course, I'll run through them as well. I'm going to tell you all about our sponsor, and then we're going to be ready for a fantastic day. So whether you're watching here live on Facebook or watching a replay on Facebook or YouTube, we would love to know that you're there. So pop in the comments just like Anne and Florina and Faye and Wendy have, and let us know that you're there. Ask any questions and we will do our best to answer them as we go. And then, of course, give us some likes, leave comments, share, and we just want everyone to know what a fantastic time we're having over here at the From Picture to Page website. So are you ready for a fantastic day? There is so much going on. So at 11 o'clock, Australian Eastern Standard Time, we are kicking off with Michelle and Snazzy Scrapping, and she's going to be showing us her gorgeous die-cut cards. At 12 noon, we'll have Jen from Hillbilly Scrapping, and she'll be showing us a range of her new products. Then at 1 p.m, we've got Craft Zone, and Mary's showing us some products, as well as a new, I think it's like a gatefold card. Always just gorgeous cards from Craft Zone. At 2 p.m, we'll have Mel joining us with Scrapbooking and Craft, and she'll be showing us one of her art journaling pages. At 3 o'clock, I'll be wearing my mixed media art hat and showing you how to turn a gel print or an A4 sheet into a mini book, as well as a few decorating tips. And then at 4 o'clock, we've got Julie with Handmade Heaven. And then at 5 o'clock this afternoon, we'll be wrapping up the day and having a chat with Carolyn, our sponsor. So speaking of sponsors, we are so excited to have Carolyn Ahern, who's our travel manager and is ready to assist us with all our traveling needs. So she's been sponsoring our whole series, and like I said, we're having a chat with her this afternoon to understand her papercraft background and perhaps why we'd need a travel manager in this day and age. But I know we are all ready to get back out and about, and Carolyn is here to help us. So we're really looking forward to that. So make sure that you're liking and following and doing everything you can to keep an eye on these sessions. They'll pop up. We'll go live about 2 minutes before the hour. There'll be a little countdown, so that gives you a chance to get settled, get your drink of your beverage, drink of choice ready to go. And then whether you're crafting in parallel with us or crafting along, again, we would love for you to share your projects in our Papercraft Posse group as well. So if you've found us here, that's a really good start. You'll be able to find us in exactly the same place throughout the day. If we have any hassles, we'll definitely post a note on the Facebook page. And of course, if we have any really big problems, our website will get that updated as well. So it's so nice that you could join us. Hi, Christine. Hi, Tamara. It really is just going to be such a fantastic couple of days of crafting. So like we said, make sure you like us, leave a comment for all the details. Make sure you head over to the website, or those that are on email list, find your downloadable program. That looks just like this. It's got all the things on it for the day. So do make sure you're on our email list to get all of those updates. So I think that's all you need to know. If you found us now, you will definitely find us again for those wonderful updates. And we're just so looking forward to seeing some card making, some scrapbooking, all sorts of things. It's just going to be fantastic. So I'm looking forward to catching up with you throughout the day. So this is Michelle signing off. I hope you have a crafty day.